The Go charting software truly offers a highly intelligent alternative for delta. In this case, the strength of the delta is integrated into the bid-ask footprint through a color-coded system. This Bitcoin day trading chart displays both the volume profile as well as the delta strength within each of the individual candles. The maximum delta is made visible here through the deep intensity of the colors. This facilitates a quick analysis even without having to look at individual footprint numbers. After a macro zone was reached here, as clearly indicated by the arrow above, a volume cluster with maximum negative deltas was then formed. This specific price cluster could no longer be broken through to the upside by the following candles and thus formed a significant level of resistance. Even after the breakout, you can still see deep red deltas and the arrows on the right side. These factors initiated the downward movement that followed shortly after. Active day traders who prefer an integrated, minimalist, and context-related way of representing delta have an exceptionally efficient and time-saving tool in their hands here.